Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Richie and I'm here to show you guys how to make money online in 2022. So guys, today I have a special video and I'm so happy to share this information with you guys. I've been like searching another way if you're not living in the US or in Canada, how you can make money online, and I find this one. It's basically anybody in the world can do where you're from and where you're living now. You can make money with this one. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you guys have any questions. So before I get to the video, so I wanted to let you guys know, if you guys see me keep looking down, it's because I have everything right in here, so I don't want to forget anything. So bear with me. If you guys don't know about it, there's this app, it's called Fiverr. So the way I found about Fiverr, it's because like sometimes I create my YouTube videos and I know how to edit a video, but sometimes I'm just lazy to do it, or I have things to do, so I rather pay someone to do it for me. And even on my previous video, I told you guys how I paid someone on Fiverr to create my product design. I don't know if you guys remember, for my event planner and to sell to Amazon. So Fiverr, you can go on Fiverr to hire someone, and the same way you can go on Fiverr and become a freelancer. You become a freelancer, you go on Fiverr, you sign up to become a seller. So you basically tell them what you're doing, what you're good at. And the best thing, you can do it on any language, so it doesn't have to be English. And if you want to do it in English to more client, you can put like basic English. Okay, when you create your account, it's easy to create your Fiverr account. They don't request anything. It's basically your name, and you're gonna tell them like what do you do, your skill. Then they're gonna verify your Fiverr account, so they're gonna send you an email, and they need to verify your phone number too. No matter what, if you're living in the US or anywhere, you're gonna put your phone number. Like even though you're living in Haiti, you put your phone number and they're gonna send you a text, and then you're gonna put it in. So that's how you're gonna create your Fiverr account. So now I'm gonna tell you guys 7 ways to make money with Fiverr so easily. First way to make money with Fiverr, which is an easy way, video editor. So I'm telling you guys because I always go on Fiverr and find someone to edit my video. I'll pay them like $10-15 to edit like a 10 minutes long video for my YouTube channel. So guys, if you know how to edit a video, go ahead and do it. If you don't know how to edit a video, I'm gonna show you guys 2 apps you guys can use to edit your video, and using them for free. So there is this app, it's called iMovie and Vimeo. So you guys can use this app and to edit your customers video, and they have like free background music on it. They have like everything. Way it's still the same thing. It's by becoming like a video editor for TikTok. If you're someone who like to do TikTok videos, who know how to do transition, because a lot of people are looking for this, you know, you can do it. That's another way to make money with Fiverr. As if you're someone who know how to edit like pictures or move background pictures, you can do it too. That's another way. People are charging like $5 to $10 to $15 just to remove their picture background. Some people don't know how to do it, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 apps you guys can use to remove the background right here, so you guys can see it. It's really easy. Take a picture and show you guys how it's gonna edit the background pictures, so you guys can see. It's easy to do. Alright guys, so let's say I have this picture. It's beautiful. I could use this background, but I want to choose some another background. I'll go under magic, and it's basically remove the background pictures. If I wanted to add any background, like any other background, I'll go under background. If I wanted like a blank white or green color behind it, I could do anything with this. The beach, anything you guys want to do, you can do it with the background pictures. That's another way, so you can remove like people's background pictures, because a lot of people don't know how to do it and they want to do it professional. And so you guys can do it, charge them like $5. If you get like $10 for a day, you guys can see how much money you can make by doing this only. And it's by becoming a YouTube thumbnails. So a lot of people are doing this nowadays, because so many people, like, they want to have like the perfect YouTube thumbnails, but they don't know how to do it. For this, sometimes I charge people to do it for me, but sometimes I do it myself. You're gonna use the same app I told you guys to do it, right here, right? So let's say you go ahead. Okay, I had this one right here. The same way I told you guys to remove the background pictures, I'm gonna use the same pictures. So I'm just gonna add a title to it. That's a perfect YouTube thumbnails right here. Okay, so if you want to add extra to it or whatever, there is something I like to do sometimes. I'll highlight here and then I can put any color I want. Basically anything, any color, anything is available, so you guys can do it. Okay, that's a perfect YouTube thumbnails. People are charging like $10 to $15 and more for just for YouTube thumbnails. So if you guys can do it, do it. It doesn't matter where you're from. Like I said, just go for it and do it. Okay, the seventh way you can make money with Fiverr is by becoming an Instagram photo editor. A lot of people trying to be like they're trying to become the Instagram model, they're trying to do this, they want their picture to look perfect. So you can create a gig for Instagram photo editing. So this way you're gonna make money. You can charge people like between $10 to $15. What you will do is go on Fiverr and find out how much people are charging for them, and go ahead and do it. So as little as $0, you don't need no money to start, you don't need nothing to start. So just do it. And for your Fiverr account, don't wait. There is nothing for you to wait. Just go ahead and get that cash. So that's 7 things I had to share with you guys how to make money with Fiverr. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And if you Amazon seller and you're trying to find product to resell on Amazon, so I have a discount for Helium 10. If you use my code, you can get a discount with Helium 10, which is a browser extension, will allow you to search for product and tell you how much people those seller on making on Amazon, and help you find a supplier who's selling the same type of product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And for now, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.